Hi friends, welcome to my channel Informatica by Pujita. Friends, today topic is rarest flowers in the world. With roughly 400,000 different species of the flowers found on planet. Here's a look at some of the rarest ones around the world. Let's get into the topic. Number 1. Corpse flower. Its scientific name is Amorphophallus titanum. It is believed to be one of the largest and rarest flowers. The corpse flower is found in Indonesian rainforests and can reach up to 12 feet. It means 3.6 meters in its natural habitat. It is known as the corpse flower because it exudes an odor similar to that of rotted meat when it blooms. Number 2. Flame lily. Its scientific name is Gloriosa superba. Native to Asia and tropical and southern Africa, these beautiful and unique flowers are also regarded as the national flower of Zimbabwe. These should be handled with care as parts of it are poisonous. Number 3. Stinking corpse lily. Its scientific name is Rafflesia arnoldi. This flower is also found in Indonesia, said to be the largest in the world. It can grow up to 3 feet in diameter and it produces an almost identical odor to that of the Amorphophallus titanum when in bloom. It has no visible stem, roots or leaves. Number 4. Lady's lipped orchid. So its scientific name is Cypripedium calceolus. This member of orchid family is shaped like a lady's slipper and it is protected within the UK by the Wildlife and Countryside Act of 1981. It is also found in Asia, some European nations including Spain and among other regions. Number 5. Jade vine. Its scientific name is Strongyloides macrobotrys. It is restricted to rainforests of the Philippines. This beautiful claw-shaped flower is in danger of going extinct in the wild because its natural habitat is being destroyed at an alarming rate. The flowers vary in color from blue to light green. Their natural pollinators are bats. Number 6. Ghost orchid. Its scientific name is Dendrophyllax lindeni. The ghost orchid, named so because of the shape of its petals, is found in areas of Cuba, Florida and the Bahamas. The plant is rare because it is almost impossible to propagate. It has no leaves, does not depend on photosynthesis and does not manufacture its own food. It also requires specific host trees to grow and perfect conditions for it to flower. It is considered an endangered plant in Florida. Number 7. Chocolate cosmos. Its scientific name is Cosmos astrosanguinus. It is native to Mexico. This flower has reportedly been extinct in the wild for over 100 years. The flowers have a rich, deep brown color and emit, as the name suggests, a rich chocolate fragrance. Today, the clones of these flowers exist in protected areas. Number 8. Udumbara flower. These are tiny white flowers, don't have a scientific name and measure no more than 1 millimeter in diameter. It is native to China and Taiwan. They are mentioned in Buddhist scriptures and are said to bloom once in every 3000 years. In 2010, some were discovered growing in the home of a nun in Lushan mountain in China's Jiangxi province. Number 9. Franklin tree flower. Its scientific name is Franklinia altamaha. The Franklin tree produces beautiful white flowers with clusters of golden yellow stamens in the center. Believed to be native to an area near Fort Barrington along the Altamaha River in Georgia, US. It has been extinct in the wild since the early 1800s. Number 10. Juliet rose. Regarded as the most expensive rose ever developed, it took rose breeder David Austin 15 years and $4.3 million to create this beautiful flower. It debuted in 2006 at the Chelsea Flower Show in London. Number 11. Cadpole flower. Its scientific name is Epiphyllum oxypetalum. It is also called as Queen of the Night and Dutchman's Pipe. This flower is native to Sri Lanka but is also found in Latin American countries as well as in China, Japan and India. This flower rarely blooms. When it does, it is at night and it wilts before dawn. Number 12. Cook's Kokio. Its scientific name is Kokkia cookie. It was first discovered in the Hawaii Islands in the late 19th century. There are 4 species in its genus. All are either extinct in the wild or critically endangered. These flowers are difficult to cultivate and produce orange-red blooms once a year. Number 13. Parrot's Beak. Its scientific name is Lotus bertholletii. This beautiful flower is native to the Canary and Cape Verde Islands. They are believed to be extinct in the wild but can be cultivated in gardens. Its flowers come in 3 colors: red, orange and yellow. So that's it friends for this video. Hope you gain some knowledge. If you didn't understand about theory, you may know the flowers and flowers names. So we'll meet you with an interesting topic in the next video. Until then, take care, stay home, stay safe. Thank you for watching. Bye.